What's the meaning of chicken wire? Chicken wire. Chicken wire.
Chicken wire. Chicken wire. Chicken wire is a type of woven wire mesh that is commonly used to confine poultry in coops or runs. It is made from thin, galvanized wire that is twisted together to create a hexagonal pattern. The resulting wire mesh is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to work with and shape into different forms. Despite its name, chicken wire is also used for other purposes such as garden fencing and pet enclosures. Overall, chicken wire is a versatile and inexpensive material that has many practical applications.